introduce myself. My name is Princessa Latheresya Sembiring, but you can call me Chesa. Here I will review an object, namely is powder. Powder is round and has three parts. One, two, and three. I will review these three parts. In the first part, there is a small circular mirror whose function is for us to look in the mirror when using powder. It's a powder. The function is a powder that is in the shape of a circle, and the color of the powder is adjusted to the skin color. This is a powder spoon. The powder spoon which function when we want to use powder and makes the powder even on our face like this. So we use three parts: mirror, powder, and the spoon powder. That's it. Every day before I go to the college so that my face look less pale and a little whiter. And thank you.
다음에 또 만나요 우리 모두